Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video in the You Choose, I Draw contest, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Joe Montana in his Chiefs uniform. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with Joe Montana, we're going to begin with the football helmet. So I'm going to start up here and we're just going to begin by making a round curved line that comes down here. Then we're going to make a line that goes over. Next, we're going to bring this down and connect to here. Starting here, we're just going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes out and then in. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes down and comes up to here. Next, we'll draw a little line that goes down and comes up to here for a little chin strap. Make a little line that goes up and over. And we're going to put a little circle right there. Starting here, let's make a line that comes down. Make a line that goes over and up. Starting up here, we're going to make a line that comes over and down. And over here, we're going to make a line that goes over and comes down. Next, we'll draw a line that goes over. It's going to come down at an angle. And it's going to come this way, back towards the body. This line's going to come down. It's going to angle in. And it's going to come back towards the body too. Right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. It's going to go over, and it's going to come up here. Next, we're going to draw a little line over. Then we'll make a line that comes straight up. We'll draw a little line over. We're going to come down and bring it back over here. Over here, let's draw a little line down and a little line up. Then we'll make another line that comes down, and it's going to go up here and over. Right here, let's make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go down and in for the thumb, and a line that goes over and down. Now for the football, let's draw a line that comes up on each side, and a line that's going to go up and down. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then in. Let's draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to angle this way. Curve this line around. We're going to come up and back and curve around. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over at an angle and then down. And another one's going to go over, down, and then curve over to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. And we're just going to angle it to here. Kind of went off paper a little bit, but that's okay. We'll add a line that comes down here on each side. We're going to go over and bring it right up to here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and it's going to curve over for a thumb. We'll make a line that's going to go up. We're going to curve it around. Another one that goes around here, one more here, and one more there. A little line down. So here's our basic shape. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So starting here, let's draw a little line that comes down and one over here. I'm going to draw a little line that comes down, and another one's going to come down here. We're going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come down and back up here, and this will connect. Right up here, we're going to make a little line that goes down and then two little lines in. Line that goes up. It's going to come down. We're going to go down and then up. Right up here, I'm going to add a little curved line on each side. And right over here, I'm going to make the number 19 on his jersey. Now, you can use this basic style to kind of draw whoever you want to, but I'm just drawing Joe Montana because that is what won in the contest, but you guys can turn this into any quarterback you want to. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down here, and another one that just kind of runs into there. I want to put a little line that goes right along the top of the football, and another one that just kind of runs right along the middle. Next, I'm going to add a little line that goes right around the neck, and a little kind of rectangle shape over here. Add a couple little lines here, and a couple little broken lines in some spots. Then for the face, I'm just going to add a black dot here for the eye. I'm going to add a little eyebrow right above it. I'm going to add a little mouth over here, and a little line here for the nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of Joe Montana in a Chiefs uniform. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.